my spine, carrying the sand of turned earth and fermenting wine. He lifts the golden sycamores along the Silverado Trail and rattles the last green holdouts till they finally exhale. I pull my jacket close, but I don't wanna hide. There's mercy in the chill that makes the colors come alive. Oh, watch the leaves turn, watch them burn without pain. Crimson saffron, scarlet running wild in the vines again. The cold breeze sings through the valley, soft as a lover's hand, saying, let go, darling, everything beautiful must land. Frost kisses the pumpkin fields, turns the grass silver white, while the old oak by the tasting room drops acorns in the quiet. Geese ride slow arrows across the canvas of the sky. Each moment hangs timeless as the seasons drift by. Beneath the fading sunlight, stories whisper and wane, echoes of the laughter mingling with the pain. A symphony of colors plays against the autumn shame, but deep in this silence, love still sings the same. I pull my jacket closer, yet I embrace the freeze. In this dance of life and death, find beauty in the unease. Oh, watch the leaves